Millions of glass beads begin their journey from collected raw glass materials. Every piece is inspected before becoming a premium shining bead.
Advanced sorting technology removes unwanted materials from the glass. Only suitable glass continues toward bead production.
Every glass fragment is carefully checked before melting. Only clean and strong glass is selected. The selected glass is washed using powerful industrial cleaning systems. Clean glass creates brighter and more transparent beads. After washing, the glass is completely dried. These clean pieces are ready for transformation. Clean dried glass is crushed into smaller pieces for bead production. Precise crushing prepares the material for the melting process.
The crushed glass is refined into evenly sized particles. Uniform material helps create perfectly shaped beads.
Precise screening removes unsuitable glass particles. Only the perfect size enters the bead-making process.
Perfectly prepared glass particles are measured before melting. The next stage transforms solid glass into liquid material. Extreme heat transforms solid glass into glowing liquid glass. This molten material will soon become millions of shining beads. Molten glass is carefully controlled before forming begins. Perfect temperature creates stronger and brighter glass beads. Advanced machines shape liquid glass into thousands of tiny beads. Each bead is formed with controlled size and precision. Controlled cooling gives glass beads strength and durability. Every bead must cool evenly to achieve perfect quality. Clean surfaces are essential for crystal clear shining beads. Special washing systems remove every remaining impurity. Polishing transforms ordinary glass beads into brilliant shining products. Next, special technology adds unique designs inside the beads. After polishing, every bead is sorted by size and shape. Only perfect glass beads continue to the premium design stage. Advanced technology creates tiny flag designs for every country. These detailed patterns will appear inside the transparent beads. Microscopic designs are carefully placed inside each glass bead. Precision ensures every flag appears clear and centered. The glass layers are sealed to protect the hidden designs. Each bead becomes a permanent miniature piece of art.
Final polishing gives every flag bead a brilliant crystal shine. Now each bead is ready for strict quality testing.
Every flag glass bead passes through advanced quality inspection. Only perfect beads continue to the final production stages. Durability tests confirm the strength of each glass bead. Premium beads must survive strict factory standards.
Water testing confirms crystal clarity and design visibility. Every flag must remain bright inside the transparent glass.
High-speed machines count millions of beads with precision. Accurate counting prepares them for global delivery.
Final cleaning keeps every bead perfectly polished. The finished products are now ready for packaging.
Automatic packaging protects millions of finished glass beads. Each package contains carefully selected flag designs. Strong packaging protects the premium glass beads. Every container receives a final identification label.
Each flag bead collection is organized for worldwide customers. Labels help products reach every destination.
Finished flag glass beads are safely stored before delivery. Millions of beads are prepared for customers worldwide. From recycled glass to beautiful flag beads, the journey is complete. These shining creations are ready to travel around the world. Before leaving the factory, every package receives a final inspection. Only approved flag glass beads are sent worldwide. Special packaging keeps every glass bead safe during shipping. Careful handling protects the final product quality. Millions of finished beads leave the factory for global markets. Each shipment carries precision-made glass creations. From the factory floor, these beads begin a worldwide journey. Advanced logistics connect factories with customers everywhere. After traveling across the world, these beads reach their final destination. Every flag design tells a unique story. The final beauty of each bead appears when light passes through the glass. Precision manufacturing creates stunning visual effects. Modern factories combine technology and craftsmanship. Every stage works together to create millions of perfect beads.
Automation helps produce millions of identical, high-quality beads. Precision technology controls every detail.
Recycled glass receives a new life through advanced manufacturing. Waste materials become beautiful global products. From ordinary glass to brilliant flag beads, every step requires precision. This is the incredible journey behind millions of glass beads. Every finished bead represents hours of precision manufacturing. Inside each crystal sphere, a unique flag comes to life.
Strict inspection removes even the smallest imperfections. Only flawless beads reach customers around the world.
Premium collections receive special packaging for worldwide customers. Careful presentation protects the beauty of every bead. Every package is checked before reaching the global market. Accuracy ensures every flag bead matches customer expectations. These tiny glass creations are prepared for global destinations. Millions of beads travel from one factory to many nations. One factory can create thousands of national designs. Each bead connects art, technology, and culture. Advanced design systems create new bead patterns. Even the smallest details are digitally controlled. New designs are tested before millions are produced. Precision keeps every flag clear and beautiful. Modern automation allows millions of beads to be manufactured every day. Technology keeps every product consistent. From simple glass pieces to global treasures, every bead has a story. This is the complete journey of glass bead manufacturing. Every glass bead carries precision, beauty, and international identity. Millions of tiny creations are transformed into unique collectibles. Even the smallest bead requires extreme precision. Every detail is checked before reaching customers.
Ordinary waste glass becomes valuable through advanced manufacturing. Recycling creates beautiful products from discarded materials. Recycling helps reduce waste while creating premium glass products. Modern factories give old materials a second life.
Behind every automated system, skilled workers ensure perfection. Human expertise and technology create millions of beads.
These tiny glass creations become part of art and decoration worldwide. One bead can represent a nation, culture, and memory.
Every stage comes together to complete the manufacturing journey. The factory continues producing millions of perfect beads.
After production, every package is carefully stored and managed. These beads are ready for their journey around the world. From recycled glass to shining global treasures, the journey is complete. Modern manufacturing.
Millions of glass beads begin as simple material and become symbols of creativity. This is the incredible world of glass bead manufacturing.